How much YouTube pays you for 1,000 views in 2025 across niches? Have you ever wondered how much YouTube truly pays for 1,000 views? The numbers can surprise you. In 2025, earnings vary greatly by niche, and understanding this could be the key to unlocking better revenue for your channel. Let's break it all down for you. YouTube doesn't have one-size-fits-all payments. What you earn for 1,000 views depends on CPM, cost per mille, money advertisers pay for every 1,000 impressions. CPM changes dramatically based on factors like content type, viewer demographics, and advertiser demand. For example, content and finance attracts higher paying ads than gaming or entertainment. Why? Advertisers selling credit cards or investments are willing to spend more targeting specific audiences. This difference could mean 3x or even 5x the earnings. In 2025, the average CPM ranges from $2 to $15 globally. Broad niches like lifestyle might fall at the lower end due to generic advertising, while niches such as tech or finance easily climb higher. Geography plays a role too. Audiences in countries like the US usually have higher ad revenue compared to emerging markets. But remember, not all your views will be monetized. Factors like ad blockers and YouTube Premium viewers can slightly lower these numbers, so it's helpful to diversify your revenue streams, which we'll touch on later. Finance content rules YouTube earnings. If you're creating videos about stock investments, personal finance, or entrepreneurship, you could see CPM rates of $20 or more. Advertisers spend big here because their customers have high purchasing power, and that means big profits for creators. Are tech reviews or gadget unboxings your thing? You're in luck. Tech channels average between $10 and $14 CPM. Why? Tech companies compete fiercely to advertise their newest devices on your channel, especially if your audience is ready to buy. Lifestyle and entertainment are popular, but usually earn less per 1,000 views. Think $4 to $6 CPM on average. Although lower, their wide audience base can still generate significant revenue if you're pulling in large view counts consistently. Gaming is one of YouTube's most popular niches, attracting millions. However, CPM ranges here are generally $2 to $7. While advertisers are interested in reaching gamers, the audience may skew younger, making ad rates more unpredictable. Educational creators often earn $8 to $12 CPM. If you create tutorials, career advice, or how-to guides, advertisers may see your content as evergreen and key to reaching an engaged audience eager to learn, boosting your channel's monetization potential. Ad revenue is only part of the story. Non-monetized views, like from YouTube Shorts, may not bring in direct earnings, but still boost your channel's visibility. Also, factors like audience engagement and watch time are crucial in determining your channel's success. Have you considered diversifying? Sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products can all make up for lower CPMs. Niche creators often see results far better when combining YouTube ads with dedicated streams like brand deals. Want to earn more? Start by focusing on niches with high-paying CPM like finance or tech. Additionally, invest in understanding your audience through analytics to create content that keeps viewers engaged. The more watch time, the better your chances of earning premium ad placements. Also, it pays to focus on SEO. Use relevant keywords that advertisers are bidding on and optimize your thumbnails and titles to attract clicks. Don't forget about long-form content. Longer videos tend to include more ads, which means higher potential revenue. Ready to maximize your YouTube earnings? Start by picking your niche wisely, producing evergreen content, and analyzing your audience for better engagement. Don't let CPM rates discourage you. Instead, aim to diversify your revenue streams and build a loyal community. If you found these insights helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more creator-friendly strategies. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know your niche. Let's thrive on YouTube together.